Hi, Nico.
Hi Lars, thank you for having me.
Yes, I want to install the new working app in my educational solutions environment. Can you help me to implement this?
Of course I can. Yeah, we can do it together.
Okay, this is my screen, and I have admin rights, so I want to implement the working app. What do I have to do?
So first of all, I would go to the PBX manager, and from there we can use the app installer to install the working app. Here you can just search for the working app once it's loaded.
One moment. I will start it again. Here.
Now, perfect.
Okay, I can search for working app. Here I see the WordGuess app, but we want to implement the working app.
Yeah.
I should click on a version and then
yes, you
install.
Can select the version.
Accept the terms of use and install the app.
Yeah, and this way, with the app installer, the app and also the instance, as you just saw, are installed. And from there on, you don't have to install or create the instance by yourself.
Okay. We have to go to the PBX manager again.
Reload it.
Exactly. And then we have the AP working app here.
Yes, and here you can select an app or create an app. And here we have 3 apps. One is for the users, which they use to select or choose their working times. One is for the managers, let's say for the HR department, and one is for the RP, which is for notifications.
Perfect. Then we first install the working user app, okay?
Yeah, let's do it.
I give this a name and a zip name. And I say, give this to all the config users. This is a template which all persons have. So when I say okay, all the users should have the working user app, right?
Yeah, as it should be.
Okay. Then the next one. Working manager?
The manager. Yeah, you can just do it again. Create a name, a zip name. And I guess here we want to have only the admins to have access. So you tick admin and also okay.
Okay. And then the third app is?
The working RP. Yeah, the working RP is, like I said, for notifications. And I guess every user should get your notifications. So we can select users here.
Okay. That's it.
Now it's created.
That's all?
Right.
Oh,
that's all.
Here I have already click the working manager and working user app here on my home screen. And I have a special group, working app, with the working manager and the working user. Okay.
Perfect.
I have a look at the working manager app, I will see there are no users. Why? What do I have to do to find here users?
So to see a user, you just have to open the working user app once, and the user is kind of registered or logged in. And now when you reopen the admin app or when you select a working time, you will see that there are users now, or there's your user.
Thank you. I think that's all for the first time. Thanks for implementing these apps. And in the next video, you can explain how it works as the user and as the admin. Thanks for the first time.
No problem. I thank you for the invitation.